Good morning, everybody. Today we shall learn how to use mobile PowerPoint application in video recording. Now let's move to the PowerPoint application. Yes. Here is this one is the PowerPoint application. Touch here or click here, it will open. Can you see the screen? Mark that here is a plus button. So I have already done these presentations, that's why we need not go to them. But if you want to make a new PowerPoint presentation, just click at the plus point. Yes, plus. That means mark that this is a blank presentation, this is a meditation, these are the clips you will use in your PowerPoint. These are the clips. So today we shall use the blank presentation. It's done. Yeah, opened. Now hold your mobile in a landscape mode. Mark that here is a sleep and here is a sleep. Here a double tap to add a title is written. So you can type here anything you like. Suppose while writing on the clip you can use a keyboard with the mobile. I shall tell you how to connect a keyboard to the mobile, or you can use a Bluetooth keyboard to it. So if you write here, for example, I am writing with my Bluetooth keyboard. Yes, it is writing. Yes. So in this mode, if you use keyboard, it will be far better for you. So again you want to make more clips. Let's do it. Yeah, more clips. Let's see what is there. No, it is not. Again we came to the same position. Here is a plus icon. Mark my finger or arrow. You get another one. This one and also this one. Again another one. In this way you can use more clips in the presentation mode. Right? Suppose you want to paste here something or images. For with the teachers, pasting the textbook page is most necessary, because in English we have to teach the students online mode, presenting, showing the photos, photocopy of the page we are teaching them. So in order to bring that page, first of all you go to, here is the 1 minute, that is this one. This one is Orissa. Class 1 to 10, all books. Click here. It's opened. Yes, it is opening. And it is written from class 1 to 10. Right? Click here. Let's click here. My English book. Yes, it is. Yes, again, let's do it. Gallery. This one. Now click at the down button. This is the down button. So now it is pasted on your clip. Okay. Let's widen it. No. Yes. 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 Okay. It is fixed. Now let's move to the next clip. This is the next clip selected. Again we have to paste the image we have taken from the textbook. Touch, click or touch at the gallery. Again, what you will get? This one, number 2. Yes, then down icon is there. Click here or touch here. Done. It will automatically selected to the clip. Now let's adjust the image to the clip measurement. Yes, to the clip size. Yes, it's done. Okay. So in this way you will paste your clips on each and every clips of the presentation, or that is your PowerPoint mode. Then this is the preparation. Then we will go for the presentation part. Here is the presentation part, that is mark my finger point. Click here or touch here. Yes, this came to presentation mode. Right? Now we will read, and student by you can zoom up it and zoom down. Yes, even do like this. Okay, with your fingers. Again you can change it. Yeah, this. Again change. And so in this way you can change your pages. In between the pages you can give it transition effects. So let's go and see what are the transition effects. Right? Okay. Yes. So how to give it transition effect? This plus one is addition of more pages, more clips, slides. Generally they are called slides, and the presentation is called slideshow. And here is the point. If you click here, you will get a home. And if you click here, you will get a insert. I told you how to insert different things. Next, draw. You will draw things. Design things. You will apply different designed slides. You will do it and see what is it. Next, just we are talking about transition. So I am clicking at the transition button. Yes. Transition effects. Select a transition effect at the bottom. Transition selects. Yes, I selected. These are the transitions. I selected it. Let's see what happens. We don't know. Again, another. Here is a transition button. Let's see. Plus, yes, this one. I wanted to apply this transition. There are several transitions, but I wanted to apply this transition. Okay, done. Now, effects option apply to all. If you click this one, that transition effect will be applied to all the slides you have set in your power presentation. So I am going to click it, apply to all. Okay, it is applied. Let's see whether it is applied or not. Yes. Again click here. This is the presentation mode. Click here. Yes. Yes. Could understand what happened, how it is applied. Again swipe left. Could understand. In this way, you can paste more slides, more images, and give different types of, what did I say? Transition effects. I showed you different types of, just I selected one and I applied it, and you saw what happened. Could understand. So in this way, so once it is done, so how you will teach the slides or the contents to the students? How can they see? Because it is running your mobile and all the students cannot see it. Just one or three students can see it, but the class students, the whole class cannot see it. So, what do we do in our classroom situation? We have our smart television, and through Miracast, there is inbuilt in this smart TV, there is inbuilt Wi-Fi. That is generally called Miracast, and we connect that Miracast with our mobile. When it is connected through Miracast, the content in my mobile or presentation mode is displayed on the TV, and all the students in the class are able to watch it. So now let's learn how to connect a mobile to TV through Miracast. So we have to go back. Yes, my mobile is already connected to the TV, and there is another mobile that there my open camera is open, and that open camera is recording the content displayed in the TV screen. Here mark my arrow and here click it. You will see pause sharing, phone aspect ratio, and disconnect. This is my Samsung mobile, that's why these things are here. In other mobiles are not, these features are not available in other mobiles. They may have other features. Now I will disconnect it. Yes, disconnected. It is disconnected. Okay. Now let's to the original position. Yes. Yes. Again, let's as a click at the gallery. Again, mark here is a symbol. This is the smart view symbol. It's written smart view share screen. This is called share screen. So click here. Yes. So my Miracast number IP number is ID number is this one. Below is another one that is not necessary this one. Just I will select it. Yes, I did it. And he is asking start now. Yes, done. It is connecting. Look, it is connecting to the TV. Yes, connected. Connected and the content in my screen is being displayed on the computer, and from that is not computer, that is TV, and from the TV screen my another mobile is recording it. In this way we can connect our mobile to the TV. Suppose you don't have any smart TV, but if you have a TV having with the HDMI port, you need not worry, just buy any cost dongle and you connect that dongle to your HDMI port and give current supply to the any cast with the help of a mobile charger. Your work will be done. Suppose your TV has no HDMI ports, your TV might have RCA pin, RCA female pin system or RCA female port. You might have seen, you might have marked in the back side of the TV, there are 3 pins, red, yellow and white, female pins. So in that case you will need another device, that is, that name of that device is HDMI to AV, and first connect your Wi-Fi dongle to the HDMI to AV, then from HDMI to your TV RCM female slot, so that your work will be done. If you can't, or if you have any doubts, just drop me or write me in my comment box so that I can be able to help you how to connect. These things are a little difficult to explain, and some can do it and others cannot. I know it. But still I am ready to tell you how to connect. Next, or to change your TV into Miracast mode. Again, today we came to learn how to use mobile PowerPoint in presentation of the online class, or that is called PPT mode, PPT, PowerPoint teaching. So in mobile PowerPoint teaching there are other things. Let's see what are they. 1 minute. Yes. Again let's go to the PowerPoint mode. Yes, this one PowerPoint mode. So again click here. You will again click here. Then animation. So when animation is necessary, suppose you write something on the slide show, and that writing should be animated. In that case, you will use this one. Could you understand? You will try yourself so that you can understand everything. These things are actually practical things. In the theory you can't understand. It's 100% sure. You have to utilize your own mind. Next slide show. Click here from beginning to or from current. If you want to show your slides from the beginning, click here. Or if you want to show your slides from the scratch, where you have stopped, where you have left, then you click here. I am clicking here from this one, from the beginning. Yes. Yes. This is the beginning part, you know. Again, next go to the next page. Let's go to the next page. Yes, this is the next page. Again, we have not pasted any image in the next page still. If you want to go there, just swipe left. Yes, this is the keyboard, external keyboard. This is the external keyboard, and you just connect the female and the male. Yes, connected. Now you connect this micro USB to your mobile. Yes, connected. Yeah, it's connected. Let's see whether it is working or not. Yes, I selected a group and I am going to write try you yourself. It's writing, no problem. Could understand how to connect a external keyboard to your mobile. Now let's go back again to the open camera. Right? It's done. Yes, it's done. We learnt how to use mobile PowerPoint in our online or offline teaching class. I shall tell you how to record the video. Yes, as I am recording my video, you will do that. There is another application that is particularly in Samsung mobile. The name of that application is Samsung Notes. I am going to that part. Just 1 minute. Yes. Yes, mark my arrow. This is the Samsung Notes. Touch here or click here. Right. It's open. Could understand? It's open. So here you can write anything you like. Could understand? Then take its screenshot and display it in the PowerPoint presentation. Suppose you taught a English lesson. At the end of the lesson, you will make a evaluation. For evaluation, you will make some questions and answers. So you make here the questions and answers and take its screenshot and paste it in the presentation mode, and your work will be done. So here I would like to say, if you are using a Google Index keyboard in your mobile, it will be easy for you to write both English and Oriya. See how I write both English or Oriya. 1 minute. Yes. Suppose I am going to write a Surya. 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 Mark that. You mark that Surya in Oriya is displayed, English is displayed. If you select or touch Oriya Surya, it will be written in Oriya. If you touch the English Surya, it will be selected. Surya, right. Could understand? So this Samsung Note is a very wonderful thing to present, to teach our students. And there is a mark, this is 1 minute I am giving. This is a text mode, this is a writing mode, your handwriting mode. Yes, pen, this is a pen. Pen is selected, select the pen, select the thickness. These are the thickness. We shall select this one and select the red color. Click on the into mark. And now it is selected. You write with your pen, with your finger. Surjy. Could understand? So while teaching, if you need to underline anything or to write, give right mark or into mark, this application will help you. Could understand? If you want to erase it, here is the erase or undo icon. Here click here, undo. This is redo, but this is undo. Yes. Okay, erased. So we have two options, and that are very great options. One is a PowerPoint option, another is your Samsung Note. You might be thinking, if this application is available in other mobiles, yes. In other mobiles they are available, maybe having less features or maybe having more features, but I can't say. Otherwise, better you search, keep my notes application in Google Play Store, keep my notes, and it will do your purpose. As this mobile did our purpose, that will do your purpose. This icon is here. This icon is covering another feature, that is attachment feature. If you click at the attachment, again you will go to the gallery and copy and paste the images as we did in PowerPoint here. Could understand? Suppose you want to go to the gallery, but we can't go to gallery because it cannot. Oh, yes, sorry. Yes, this one is the attachment. That means you want to insert something here, so click here. Image, then to gallery. Yeah. Then select this one. Which one? This one. Okay. Let's make it bigger. Here cut, copy, delete to front, to back, right? These things are here. Now just touch at below it. Yes, it is touched. Now write something here. This is my school. Right? Or you can write on the image. This is my school. But you can't type on the image. You can only type under the image. So select this one. Text button. Selected, we will write. What we will write? This is my school. This is my school. Right? It's done. Yes, this is my school. You can also write under it. Yes, this is my school. Right? Your work is done. Right? In this way, you will copy and paste or attach any image you have already stored in your gallery and teach the students. Another thing I would like to tell you, in order to write on the screen, you need to buy a pen. Perhaps once it was costing just 15 rupees. Whether they are available or not in the market, I can't say. Or a stylus pen from online, that is 500. Longevity is less. So you can buy and write on it. Otherwise, Samsung Galaxy 6 S6 Lite tablet is available online, not now. They were available before the pandemic period, but they are not available online. When I search for it, it is written that launch coming soon. So that costs around 32,000. Another is 26,000. With that comes a pen. With the help of that pen, we can write on the screen easily. Very easy. Just a pen, like a pencil. So you can go for that if your pocket permits you. Or you can buy a pen. Or you can adapt anything to write on it. So this is all about our today's class. Today we learned how to use PowerPoint application in our video making or classroom teaching, and how to connect our mobile to TV, and the last but not least, the use of Samsung Notes or Keep My Notes application in classroom transaction or teaching learning activities. And also we learnt how to use external keyboard with your mobile. With this, that is the end of today's lesson. We shall discuss the other parts in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.